What's up? It's Jay, and today we are adjusting my 24-inch rims on my 1996 Pontiac Bonneville. So without further ado, let's get these rims adjusted so it can be ready for next year's car show. So, as you saw previously just now, the rims are touching. I took the rims off the 07 Charger. And can you believe that even though that these are two different cars, the Pontiac's rims can fit on the Dodge Charger? Except for that one, that right there is from the actual Charger. This one right here I haven't put on because it's flat, so I'm gonna have to put this one on. But let's focus on this car right here. So I got the rims on. I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. My airbags work. I'm glad I got that out, sorted out. If you haven't saw my other video of the 2000 Bonneville of how to put the rims on that car, I'm gonna be showing you how to take these rims and putting them on a 96 Bonneville. So let's get to showing you how to do it. These are the things I got. I'm doing it differently. I got this little cutter right here. I'm gonna have to cut, and I'm gonna have to keep turning the tire and see where it's touching at. It's touching back here, I know that. And it's touching right here, so I'm gonna have to cut that. And back here, the only thing that's touching is this back piece right here. That piece right there, so I'm gonna have to bam that out a little bit. And on this side, got the same situation and stuff. And on this side, I took this off just so I can know where it's touching at. So let's get the cutting. All right, so the tire's off, and as you can see, I previously did this off camera. What you want to do is take a I'm out of breath. Get a hydraulic jack and put it on here. But what I've done to make it more easier, now I have put a tire right here. I have rolled the jack onto the tire. I have put it like right here, and so you can get that angle, like the angle like this. I put a rock behind under the jack so it can have that little angle, so the little top piece right here can hit up against this. Then you just jack it up, and it will bend. So now let's look over this. I know I'm gonna have to get some lifters on the front. I should have kept mine that I gave my brother. So let's take this off so we can get the cutting and go from there. Birds. But I got the little bolts out. Now I just got to figure out how to like four-way screwdriver. I need my four-way screwdriver right there. Set my four-way screwdriver. Oh my god, I just killed that bee. It's the four-way screwdriver. What these little bugs got in my car? Can't get in because found it. It was in my room. I might need 2 hands, guys. So stay tuned. So we got the whole thing off, the whole tire wheel thing. But yeah, now it's time to get the cutting and adjust it, maybe adjust it some more. Like my line is right here, like it's right here. So I'm gonna have to stop the blade right there. So let's get the cutting. Hopefully I got that full thing on time lapse, but got it cut off. The little piece dropped over there. So now let's try to see if anything needs to be edged up over here. But yeah, I made sure that I tried to keep it like the curve of the car, of the wheel well, so it won't. Some people do it like that straight across. I'm not gonna do that. I want to make sure that it still have the angle of the car. So let me do some of this off camera and I will get back with you guys. Take 5. Keep it on. A little bit. Now to cut that off.
The air pump on?
Yep. Let's turn the tire. Guys, I did some things offline. I mean, not offline. Off camera. On this side of the car, I did this a little bit more out and better. Unlike this side right here, you can see this side don't have that. But this side does have this little piece still right here. I'm going to see where it goes. And if it don't scrub, then all is well. But I'm still gonna get the lifters on it so I can lift up in the front. I'm gonna have to take this off. That should be good for now right there. I'm gonna have to do this, bend this back, and go from there. Let me go see how the other side is again. See how I did this one. So I cut that and I damped that in, so that's how I did it. Okay, now let's do this one. All right, guys, this is gonna be part 1 because the sun is going down. This time is terrible, and I gotta go places. I go run some errands right now. So it's gonna be part 1. Part 2, I'm gonna have to adjust it some more, which is I'm gonna have to shave up the back over there and either get some spacers because the back is hitting up against the firewall on that side, or just bam that side over. Bam the little piece that's scrubbing against the car. So part 2, we're gonna do all that, and hopefully that my camera, my GoPro camera, got all this because it dropped. My camera dropped, and I hope it's not corrupted data. So stay tuned for part 2 of how to put 24s on a 96 Bonneville, and we're gonna go from there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and more content will come of this car. So thanks for watching.